In today's fast-evolving world, leading businesses across North America are embracing innovation to stay ahead. At the forefront of this transformation stands eProBot. Welcome to eProBot, North America's trusted leader in full-service robotics solutions. With our full portfolio, including MediaBot, Smart Delivery Bot, Cooking Bot, Beverage Bot, Cleaning Bot, and Medical and Logistics Robot, eProBot is redefining service, efficiency, and customer experience across every industry. Trusted by renowned brands like Swiss Chalet, Eastside Mario's, Mandarin Buffet, 168 Sushi, Cora Breakfast and Lunch, and Hilton Hotels. eProBot delivers proven results that businesses and customers trust. With thousands of robots already deployed across North America, eProBot proudly supports hospitality, healthcare, retail, senior living, and entertainment industries with intelligent, reliable solutions. Our advanced robots empower your teams, so you can focus on delivering extraordinary guest experiences, while we handle the essential tasks behind the scenes. With nationwide coverage across Canada and rapid expansion into major U.S. cities, eProBot offers unmatched local service and an unwavering commitment to your success. When top brands trust eProBot, they invest in innovation, efficiency, and a future-ready business model. At eProBot, we're building the future of North American business, smarter, faster, and stronger, one robot at a time.